got your back on Big Bird. Charles Bronson keyed up and Keystone Boss. Charles Bronson keyed up and Keystone Boss. Hello, Charles Bronson, right back, my friend. Hello, Mr. Keystone, get down, balls, controller, say, come here.
Controller, Keystone Boss gone. Waiting on controller, what you waiting on?
I was waiting for you to finish Ken because I heard you first. You went in key down mode. Big Bird, more Big Bird. And then I heard Charles Bronson. Then I heard Great Big Deal when he unkeyed. Come on around the band controlling the mobile. Said, come on, let's ride. I seen you this Watergate, man. You said you got a lot of stuff to do, so you're going to get on out the way because you ain't come here to stay. You just said, hey. Put in later, Big Bird, Philadelphia. Go and do what you got to do. Bye.
What you got to do is get for his hammer. Hey, controller. You know, you're the good guy. So that's okay.
Boss, I don't got the lie, man. That man cut your radio slap off, man. I don't got the lie. I don't got the lie for a person I don't like. I don't like no damn Big Bird Philadelphia. But guess what? The Watergate don't lie. And you know I'm always video gate. Hello, Big Bird Philadelphia controller said, come here. When he unkey, he gonna see I'm talking to you, Big Bird. Hey, Big Bird, I ain't gonna lie, man. I got you on video, okay, so y'all can hear it, man. I ain't want y'all to fight. I just wanted to talk to y'all. Hello, Big Bird. Hey, Great Big Deal. Controller said, come here.
It's about 3 times big as mine. He got one over there. He been using it. Tell him to cut it out. He got that big box over there. He got that brand new box. Tell him to cut it off. Boss. Hey, JJ the boss. Look at that Keystone Boss clear. Come here.
Turn right there, Great Big Deal. Yeah, he got the edge on you, man. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. He got the edge on you. I'm gonna send y'all the Watergate on that end. Cause y'all my friends. Hey, Big Bird, you know I like you. I was just playing around. We're gonna have that later, my friend. Look at Great Big Old Controller work this mobile. Say, come on, let's get down. Right back, homeboys. Y'all still sounding good in my neck of the woods. Put on later, Big Bird. Put on later, Great Big Deal. Controller getting on down. Hey, Keystone Boss, I salute you right back. Keystone boss. I'm getting on down. Bye, bye, bye.
Hey, controller, good morning, Tom. You got down.
I heard somebody else call a controller, man. I ain't catch that 28. I heard somebody else call a controller. I ain't catch that 28. Controller, right back, right. At the end when you're saying just got down. I only hear you at the end when you're saying just got down. Controller, right back, right. That sound like 412. That sound like my man 412 in the Keystone. Hey, 412, if that's you, controller, said, come on, let's ride. Hey, Big Bird, you don't got to keep keying, man. You got my radio, man. I ain't gonna lie. Hey, Big Bird, you have my radio, and I ain't gonna lie on that end. Big Bird controller getting on down. That man can key whatever he wants, Big Bird. Hey, Big Bird, get on out there, man. I ain't gonna tell that man to go get on this big box, man. That's what you said. And when he hear the Watergate, he gonna hear you saying it, Big Bird, I'm gone.
Good morning, Godfather. Here, from my radio downtown New York. I need some quick information. But I don't hear him. I don't hear Godfather anymore. Swing over there and speak to my man Quincy over there in Louisville. But I don't even hear Godfather, so I can key down there, breaker. Hello, Quincy. Welcome to the weekend. I'm trying to get in the studio. I want to sing a song, man. Hey, come on, Quincy. Let's do one of them jazz skits right quick. Hello, Quincy. Big Bird, Philadelphia. Are you absolutely sure, though? Hey, Godfather, are you absolutely sure? But anyways, I'm going to do it like this. Hey, Godfather, good morning, and welcome to the weekend. Old Bronson right there, breaking. Okay, Q, you smoking too, boy. You got some of the most terrific. You're right, Godfather. I appreciate it. How do you... Hey, Godfather. Oh, Charles Bronson gonna set my room down. Bye-bye. Wait, JohnShaft, New York is getting down. This studio, my song gonna go...
Good morning, JohnShaft around New York. Good morning, JohnShaft controller. Good morning, JohnShaft controller. Reading this mail. Break.
JJ Boss, control. Look at Dougie Fresh in the big album control. Breakfast on this campaign there. Hey, good morning, JJ the Boss. You must get you some breakfast early this type of morning campaign. Good morning, JJ the Boss. JohnShaft, right back. Hey,
Right there, right back, JohnShaft. Hello, Dougie. Hello, JohnShaft. Yeah, man, they been having fun in the morning time, so I said I'm gonna come out this morning. Welcome to the weekend, JohnShaft. Your little brother, controller, said, come here.
Bye, Godfather, bye. JohnShaft, JJ. Wait, let me go to Hobo Joe over there. Hey, Hobo Joe.
Bye, JohnShaft, more JohnShaft. Good morning, JohnShaft, controller, getting on down.
You're right, Hobo Joe. I didn't want you talking to a hootie pool. I did not want you talking to a 222, a real bona fide hootie pool. Hey, Hobo Joe, Charles Bronson, weekend away you got now. Take care, God bless. Mr. Jones in Louisville, in your studio, Big Bird. Hello, Big Soul. Hey, morning time to you, Big Soul, old bush. Because that's my damn